Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows 11 computer. Whether you never use OneDrive and prefer not to have it running in the background, or simply want to keep your system tidy by removing unnecessary apps, this quick guide will help you get OneDrive completely uninstalled in just a few steps. By the end, you'll know how to completely get rid of OneDrive using a couple of easy methods, so your computer stays organized and exactly how you want it. Let's dive straight into the process. The first step is to get into your Windows settings. You can do this one of two ways. The easiest is to right-click your Start button, the little Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then select Settings. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press the Windows key and I together, that's Win plus I, and the Settings window will pop right up. I always like to mention both ways so you can choose whatever feels more comfortable. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left side of the screen for a list of different options and click on the section labeled Apps. Think of apps in Windows just like your Applications folder on a phone. It's where everything you've installed is listed. From here, look for Installed Apps in the main window and give that a click. This is where we'll find OneDrive so we can remove it. Now you might see a long list of apps here, don't worry. Scrolling through can feel overwhelming if you have a lot installed, but there's a handy search bar at the top. It's a real-time saver, especially if your list is a mile long. Just type Microsoft OneDrive into the search bar, and Windows will filter the results so you see only that app. Double-check to make sure you've found the right OneDrive. Sometimes you might see other Microsoft apps, so look for the familiar blue cloud icon. Once you've spotted OneDrive, glance over to the right of its listing. You'll see three little dots, sometimes called the ellipsis, next to OneDrive. Click those dots and an uninstall option should pop up. Go ahead and click uninstall. Windows might give you an "Are you sure?" prompt here. This is just a checkpoint to make sure you really want to get rid of something, especially something built into Windows. Click uninstall again. At this stage, you might get a notification from User Account Control. Those are the little windows that sometimes ask if you really want to make changes to your device. This is totally normal when uninstalling system apps. Just click Yes to confirm. That's it. After a few moments, OneDrive will be removed from your system. If you ever want it back, you can easily reinstall it from Microsoft's website. And here's an alternative you might like, especially if you're more familiar with the classic Windows setup. You can also uninstall OneDrive through the traditional control panel. Just search for Control Panel in the Start menu, navigate to Programs and Features, find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, and then choose Uninstall. Both methods work, so use whichever you prefer, that's all there is to it. Removing OneDrive from Windows 11 is pretty straightforward once you know where to find everything. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Feel free to ask any questions down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck keeping your Windows PC just the way you like it.